Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. I'm Gina P. Mondiar. Now I'm going to demonstrate the changing diaper to perennial care female. The purpose is to avoid microorganism spread, to avoid infection, and to clean the perineum female. Do the 12 sequence. First, read the chart of the patient, the name, age, religion, vital sign, the diagnosis of the patient, and the doctor's orders, and doctor's order, and then now before I enter the room of the patient room, first do hand washing, and then wear the new set of gloves, and then go to the patient room, knock courtesy 3 times, and then, ma'am, good morning, ma'am. I'm Gina P. Mondiar. I'm caregiver for today from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. May I know your name, ma'am? How old are you, ma'am? And then secretly check the result to the patient to confirm, to avoid offending of the patient. Then, okay, and then, ma'am, I check for a while, ma'am. I leave for a while. Ma'am, by the way, ma'am, I'm here to clean your perineal and then to feel comfortable. It's that okay for you, ma'am? Now, I leave. Now I check the vital sign, the pulse rate, respiratory rate, blood pressure, oxygen saturation, and pen scale. And then the temperature. And then before I leave you, ma'am, first rinse the side wells and lock. I leave for a while, ma'am, to go to the nurse station to prepare all the materials. I lock na, ma'am, both side. And then go to the nurse station and then prepare all the materials. I check the towel, the soap, I check the integrity, and then also the moisturizer cream. I check the integrity, and also the towel, and also the water, the warm water. And then go back to the patient room, knock again, the courtesy 3 times, and then, sir, I'm back. Before I start, sir, I ask you, sir, ma'am, do you want to defecate or urinate, ma'am? No. Then draw the curtain to close for privacy. Now I do the procedure, ma'am. First, I remove the top sheet and then fold to the horizontal fan folding to avoid the patient chilling, and then put the farthest arm in the abdomen, or to the nearest arm to the abdomen, and then put the towel at the top of the chest, the abdomen, and then abduct, and then get the towel and put the towel beside the legs, between. now, I expose, and then I'll fasten the diaphragm, unfasten the diaphragm, and the other side, unfasten the diaphragm, and then open, and then the part of the diaphragm I clean in the part of the groin, farthest groin, and then the nearest groin, and the center, and then fold. Then get the towel to wash. Farthest labia majora, fold. Nearest labia majora, fold. And then the center. Then groin, farthest groin, and fold, and then the nearest groin, fold. And then wash, add soap. Farthest labia majora, fold. Nearest labia majora, fold. And then the farthest groin, fold. And then the nearest groin, fold. And then the center. Start, and then another, get the towel, and then wash, rinse. Farthest labia majora, fold. Nearest labia majora, fold. Farthest groin, fold. Nearest labia groin, fold, and then the center. Now, pat dry. And then, ma'am, I ask you permission, ma'am, to go to the lateral position, ma'am. The farthest arm, friends, and then the one hands in the abdomen, and then bend your knee in the count of 3, ma'am. Lateral. Oh. And the incontinent part, I'm roll up to the center of your buttocks. And then, ma'am, I'm going to lateral position in the count of 3, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Then cover the part of the buttocks. And then I get the towel. First, wash, rinse, wash. Expose the buttocks area, and then circular stroke. Pay attention to the iliac crease, to the other iliac crease, sacrum, coccyx, ischium, and the other ischium, and the gluteal fold. And close. Then wash, add soap, expose, circular stroke. Pay attention to the iliac crease, to the other iliac crease, sacrum, coccyx, ischium, to the other ischium, to the gluteal fold. Cover. Then wash, rinse. Circular stroke. Pay attention to iliac crease, to the other iliac crease, sacrum, coccyx, ischium, to the other ischium, to the gluteal fold. Cover. Then pat dry the buttocks. Then, remove the continent pad and also the diaper to avoid the swelling, to falling the floor. And then discard. And then I get the now before I put the incontinent pad first, remove the gloves, and then wear the new set gloves. And then I get the incontinent pad to put the buttocks of the patient, and then fold, and then put in the buttocks. Be sure the incontinent pad in the center of the buttocks, and then I get also the diaper, and then you put in the proper way. And then if the patient is female, the back is higher than the front. If the male, the front of the front is higher than the back. And then before I go into supine position the patient, I put the moisturizing cream, put to avoid the rashes. Expose. Ma'am, I apply the cream in your buttocks, ma'am. Apply gently. Finish. Then, ma'am, I ask you, ma'am, I inform you, ma'am, I'm going to supine position, ma'am, in the count of 3, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Then, your arms, ma'am, put in the abdomen. And then, abduct your legs. Then, now, ma'am, I'm fasten the diaper, ma'am. The other side, fasten the diaper. And then, remove the towel. And then, remove the towel. First, cover the patient on the top sheet. Up to the cheese, outer cheese, and then remove the towel. Okay. Now, I'm done.